Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Thermostat step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary tools, including a screwdriver, the Nest Thermostat, and the user manual. Turn off the power to your heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker to ensure safety during installation. Remove your old thermostat by carefully unscrewing it from the wall. Take a picture of the existing wiring to remember where each wire connects. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat, labeling each wire with the included stickers. Prep the wall by ensuring the surface is clean and free from debris. If the old thermostat had a wall plate, you may need to remove it and patch any holes in the wall. Next, take the Nest base plate and align it with the existing wires. Use a level to ensure the base plate is straight before marking the screw holes. Drill any necessary holes for the screws, ensuring not to damage any wiring behind the wall. Secure the base plate to the wall using the provided screws. Feed the labeled wires through the opening of the base plate. Connect each wire to its corresponding terminal on the Nest thermostat using the picture you took as a reference. Ensure that each wire is securely connected to its terminal. Once all wires are connected, attach the Nest display to the base plate until it clicks into place. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and check if the thermostat powers on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Wi-Fi connection. Create or sign into your Nest account to access additional features. Customize your settings, like temperature preferences and scheduling options. Finally, ensure the thermostat is functioning correctly by adjusting the temperature and checking if your heating or cooling system responds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.